Welcome tech lovers to another journey. Welcome to Tech TV channel, your channel. In 2022, Elon Musk took to the stage and introduced the world to Optimus, a humanoid robot designed to revolutionize labor. Musk, known for his bold pronouncements and ambitious timelines, painted a picture of a future where Optimus would handle mundane tasks, freeing humans from drudgery. The sleek design and Musk's infectious enthusiasm ignited a firestorm of speculation. Could this be the dawn of a new era, where robots seamlessly integrate into our lives? The unveiling of Optimus tapped into a long-held fascination with humanoid robots. From science fiction novels to blockbuster movies, we've been captivated by the idea of machines that look and act like us. Musk's presentation, however, went beyond mere fantasy. He offered a glimpse into a future where these machines could become an everyday reality, transforming industries and reshaping society. The initial excitement was palpable. Was Optimus the breakthrough we'd been waiting for? Could this be the moment when science fiction morphed into scientific fact? The answer, as with most things involving cutting-edge technology, is more nuanced than a simple yes or no. Musk's vision for Optimus is nothing short of transformative. He sees a future where robots are not just tools, but integral parts of our daily lives, seamlessly blending into various aspects of human activity. He envisions a world where these robots handle a wide range of tasks, from menial chores to complex industrial operations. This could revolutionize the way we approach work and productivity, making our lives easier and more efficient. Imagine Optimus mowing your lawn, folding laundry, or even preparing meals. These everyday tasks, often seen as mundane and time-consuming, could be effortlessly managed by these advanced robots. Or consider the impact on elderly care. Optimus could provide consistent, reliable assistance, ensuring that our aging population receives the support they need, enhancing their quality of life. In factories and warehouses, Optimus could streamline production lines, optimize logistics, and handle repetitive tasks with precision. This would not only boost productivity, but also allow human workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their jobs. Additionally, by taking over dangerous tasks, Optimus could significantly reduce the need for human workers in hazardous environments, thereby enhancing workplace safety and reducing the risk of accidents. This vision extends beyond simple tasks. Musk believes that Optimus has the potential to learn and adapt, becoming more capable over time. This adaptability could lead to robots that are not just reactive, but proactive in their roles. Through artificial intelligence and machine learning, Optimus could eventually perform tasks that require dexterity, problem-solving, and even a degree of creativity. This means that the robot could handle unexpected situations and come up with innovative solutions. Imagine a robot that can not only follow instructions but also improve its performance based on past experiences. This level of sophistication could make Optimus an invaluable asset in various fields. This opens up a world of possibilities, with Optimus potentially contributing to fields like healthcare, education, and scientific research. In healthcare, it could assist with surgeries or patient care. In education, it could provide personalized tutoring. In research, it could handle complex data analysis. The potential benefits of such a robot are undeniable. It could transform industries, improve efficiency, and open up new avenues for innovation. Optimus could increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve safety in numerous industries. By automating routine tasks, companies could save on labor costs and invest more in innovation and development. On a personal level, it could free up our time and energy, allowing us to focus on more fulfilling pursuits. Imagine having more time for hobbies, family, and personal growth, all thanks to the assistance of a reliable robot. However, before we get carried away with the possibilities, it's important to examine the current state of Optimus's development. While the vision is grand, the journey to achieving it is filled with challenges and requires significant advancements in technology and engineering. While Musk's vision is compelling, the reality of Optimus's current capabilities is more grounded. The robot demonstrated at the unveiling was far from the autonomous, multitasking marvel portrayed in Musk's presentation. In fact, many experts noted that Optimus's abilities lagged behind those of other humanoid robots already in development. The truth is that Optimus is still in its infancy. The robot's movements are relatively slow and deliberate, lacking the fluidity and agility of its human counterparts. Its ability to interact with the environment is also limited, with tasks like grasping objects still posing significant challenges. Most importantly, Optimus is not yet capable of autonomous operation. The robot's actions are pre-programmed and remotely controlled, far from the self-learning, adaptable machine Musk envisions. This is not to say that Optimus is without merit. The robot's design is impressive, and its development represents a significant engineering undertaking. However, it's crucial to separate the hype from the reality. Optimus is not about to replace human workers or take over our homes. It remains a work in progress, with a long road ahead before it can fulfill its promised potential. A crowded field, Optimus versus the competition. Musk is not alone in his pursuit of humanoid robots. The field of robotics is bustling with innovation and competition, with numerous companies striving to push the boundaries of what robots can achieve. Companies like Boston Dynamics, Agility Robotics, and Honda have been developing advanced robots for years. Each of these companies brings a unique approach and expertise to the table, contributing to the rapid advancements in robotic technology. These companies have made significant strides in areas like locomotion, dexterity, and even artificial intelligence. Their robots are not just machines, they are sophisticated systems capable of performing complex tasks with precision and efficiency. Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot, for example, can run, jump, and even perform backflips, showcasing a level of agility that far surpasses Optimus's current capabilities. This robot's impressive physical feats are a testament to the advanced engineering and programming that have gone into its development. Agility Robotics' Digit robot is specifically designed for warehouse and logistics operations. Its design focuses on practical applications, making it a valuable asset in environments where efficiency and reliability are paramount. With its ability to navigate complex environments and manipulate objects, Digit represents a more practical and commercially viable solution for tasks like package handling and inventory management. This robot's capabilities highlight the importance of specialized design in addressing specific industry needs. These robots highlight the competitive landscape in which Optimus is entering. The diversity of robotic solutions available today underscores the challenges that Tesla faces as it seeks to carve out a niche in this crowded market. Musk's company, Tesla, is a newcomer to the field of robotics, and it faces stiff competition from established players with years of experience and a proven track record. However, Tesla's entry into the robotics arena brings fresh perspectives and innovative approaches that could potentially disrupt the status quo. The success of Optimus will depend on Tesla's ability to innovate and overcome the technical challenges that have hampered the development of humanoid robots for decades. This includes advancements in artificial intelligence, battery technology, and mechanical design. While Musk's ambition and Tesla's engineering prowess should not be underestimated, it's important to acknowledge the significant hurdles that lie ahead. The journey to creating a fully functional and commercially viable humanoid robot is fraught with obstacles, but with determination and ingenuity, Tesla may well rise to the occasion and make a lasting impact on the field of robotics. The safety imperative: navigating the human-robot interface. One of the most significant challenges in developing humanoid robots is ensuring their safe interaction with humans. This is not just about preventing physical harm, but also about creating a sense of trust and reliability between humans and robots. Robots that work alongside humans in homes, workplaces, and public spaces need to be able to perceive and respond to their surroundings in a way that minimizes the risk of accidents or injuries. This involves not only avoiding collisions but also understanding social cues and norms. This requires advanced sensors, sophisticated algorithms, and a deep understanding of human behavior. Sensors must be able to detect a wide range of stimuli, from the subtle movements of a person's hand to the complex dynamics of a crowded environment. Imagine a robot trying to navigate a crowded street or assist with tasks in a busy kitchen. It must be able to move seamlessly among people, avoiding obstacles and adapting to the ever-changing environment. The robot needs to be able to identify and track the movements of multiple people, anticipate their actions, and adjust its own movements accordingly. This requires a level of predictive capability that is challenging to achieve. It needs to be able to recognize and respond to unexpected events, such as a sudden change in direction or a dropped object. This means the robot must be constantly aware and ready to react in real time. This level of situational awareness and responsiveness is incredibly difficult to achieve. It involves not just processing vast amounts of data, but also making complex decisions based on that data. Even with the most advanced sensors and algorithms, robots can still make mistakes, misinterpret data, or encounter situations they are not equipped to handle. These errors can lead to potentially dangerous situations. Ensuring the safety of both humans and robots in shared environments is a complex and ongoing challenge that will require continued research and development. Researchers and engineers are constantly working to improve the technology, making robots more reliable and better at understanding and interacting with the world around them. This process involves not only improving hardware and software, but also learning from mistakes. Each error provides valuable data that can be used to refine algorithms and enhance the robot's performance. The ultimate goal is to create robots that can seamlessly integrate into human environments, working alongside us in a way that is safe, efficient, and beneficial for all. This vision of the future is one where humans and robots coexist harmoniously, each complementing the other's strengths and capabilities. The future is here, and we need to be updated. The world is changing every day, and technology will never stop. Stay tuned and subscribe to get more insights and updates about technology. Thank you for watching Tech TV Channel, your channel.